Hey everybody, how you doing? Good afternoon. It is Manitoba Hal here, and it's another Tuesday tutorial. Today we're talking about the 16 bar blues. Now, 16 bar blues is very much like the 12 bar blues, but of course it's 16 bars. Now the variation comes in when we get to bar 9. In bar 9 and 10, we repeat the 5 chord and the 4 chord 3 times. Now that's the G7, and we're going to be doing this in C, so that'd be like a G7 to an F7, G7 to an F7, G7 to an F7, and right back to C to make our 12 bars. Now, if I'm going to be playing a progression in C, here's what we end up with. It's like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, change to the F chord, 1, 2, back to C. Here's that change, that G7, F7, back to G7, F7, G7, back to F7, and C, 2, 3, 4, C7. And that's the basic procedure of a 16 bar blues. Now, of course, without context, that doesn't mean a whole lot. So, 16 bar blues is, you've heard it in a bunch of songs, Hoochie Coochie Man, things like that. But it's also used by Albert King's version of Oh Pretty Woman, which is not at all like the Roy Orbison version. That's a mistake on the Wikipedia page that I have even fallen prey to in my book. Oh Pretty Woman by Albert King, not Roy Orbison. And his progression, his thing sounds a little like this. It's he's got a slightly more. So we'll do that whole arrangement of it and we'll put it together. It goes like this.
Oh, pretty woman, she's the rising sun. Said all your cheap paint and powder ain't gonna help you none. She's a pretty woman right down to the bone. You might as well still leave your skin alone. Pretty woman, what's the matter with you? Can't make you love me, no matter what I do. Pretty woman, what you trying to do? Keep fooling around till I get stuck on you. Well, you drop that mess, come down off your throne. You stop using my poor heart as a stepping stone. Pretty woman, hey, what's the matter with you? Pretty woman, can't make you love me, no matter what I do. Pretty woman, that's alright for you. Now you go on doing what you want to do. Yeah, but someday when things you got it made, you're gonna get in deep water, so you cannot wait. Pretty woman, what's the matter with you? Yeah. Can't make you love me no matter what I do.
So anyway, there you go. The 16 bar blues. It's a fun extension. Get yourself out of that 12 bar rut. We'll see you guys in a couple weeks.